How to upgrade your iPhone on AT&T. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now go ahead and type in att.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of AT&T. Now at the top right corner, you will find this icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of sign in. With that, you will land to the login page. Now type in your credentials. Firstly, type in your user ID. In the case you have forgotten your user ID, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. If you have forgotten password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section for upgrading your device. You should see options to browse available phones and select the iPhone model you want to upgrade to. Follow the prompts to complete the upgrade process, which may include selecting a payment plan and choosing a shipping method for your new device. You can also upgrade your iPhone by visiting a physical AT&T retail store. A representative will assist you in selecting the iPhone model you want to and guide you through the upgrade process. They can also provide information on any current promotions or deals available for upgrading your device. If you prefer to upgrade over the phone, you can call AT&T customer service and speak with a representative who can assist you with the upgrade process. They will help you select the iPhone model you want to and complete the necessary steps to upgrade your device. By following these steps, you are able to upgrade iPhone on AT&T. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.